Coming into the ring, Iron Paul coming into the ring from Shenzhen, China, Jansen Zhu. Ladies and gentlemen, we are requesting everybody to please stand to sing two national anthems. First, the national anthem of the People's Republic of China. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Your host, the godfather of Cebu boxing, Mr. Lorenzo Chausi. And Chausi International Promotion welcomes you to the new Cebu Coliseum, the mecca of sports and entertainment here in the South. This is Fist of Fury 10, presented by Hotel Fortuna and La Fortuna Bakery. And now, we go to our main event of the evening, 12 rounds of boxing for the IBF minimum weight title eliminator. Sanctioned by the IBF, the President, Daryl Peoples, Supervisor in attendance, Mr. Ben Kilty. Alongside the Games and Amusements Board, the Chairman, Attorney Francisco Rivera. Commissioner in attendance, Attorney Manuel Plaza. Region 7 OIC, Mr. Jimmy Donton. Our ring physician is Dr. Rene Bonsubre. The three judges at ringside scoring on a 10-point must system will be from Thailand, Sanong Aw Min. Also from Thailand, Krengsak Thong Hong. And from Tokyo, Japan, Katsuhiko Nakamura. And the man in charge of the action, he will be giving instructions right after the introduction, veteran referee, Attorney Danrex Tapdasa. And now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, in the blue corner to my left, official weight 104.4 pounds, wearing pink trimmed with white, with a record of 12 wins, including 4 knockouts and 2 draws. Ladies and gentlemen, from Cebu City, the Philippines, introducing the assassin, Ian Paul Abney! And across the ring is his opponent in the red corner, wearing gold trimmed with red. Official weight 105 pounds, with a record of 16 wins, with only 1 defeat, and with 14 wins coming by way of knockout. Proudly representing his hometown, Shenzhen in China. Introducing the hard-hitting knockout artist, ladies and gentlemen, Jianzheng Zhu.
Okay, Zhu, Ian, we already.
Here we go, the main event of this fight card. Fist of Fury 10, the Eliminator.
Good luck to both of you.
Ding Sang-soo and Ian Paul
And now,
Abney
ladies and gentlemen,
to dispute
the time
for the
top
mandatory
is
status
over. The time to
of the
fight
IBF
is here.
minimum weight.
Ladies and
The winner
gentlemen,
will likely
let it roll!
face Pedro Taduran. Third man in the ring is Danrex Tapdasan. Ding Sang-soo wearing the gold and red, and Ian Paul Abney on the wearing the pink and white Ding Sang-soo. Oh, these two fighters are quality fighters fighting in the new Cebu Coliseum.
Really, a new Cebu Coliseum. It's it's a cold Cebu Coliseum now
Yeah.
compared to what 5 years ago, the last time I was here.
As always, Sir Sandy, a great announcing job you did. Ganyan lumaro si Ding Sang-soo. He will try to swerve you around and try to dig to the body.
Ian Paul Abney, they call him the assassin.
Ang tawag naman kay Filipino assassin kasi marami siyang Pilipinong
Pinatumba.
pinatumba. The likes of
It doesn't look Chinese.
oo. Medyo may pagka-mistizo no?
Oo.
Siguro may crossbreed meron yun. Or
Well, you can see Jiang Xingzhu digging to the body of Ian Paul Abney.
ganyan lumaro si Ding Sang-soo. He will try to test your body.
Oh, good combination there by Ian, the assassin. Good combination by Ian Paul. Oh, good combination there, going left and right. Now he digs to the body. Jiang Xingzhu just waiting for the right opportunity.
Yes.
This is phone booth boxing.
Ito yung laro ni Ding Sang-soo. Ganyan. Ang sabi nga ng mga analyst, Sir Sandy, kailangan tiisin ni Abney lahat ng suntok na ibabato ni Ding Sang-soo.
Or we can say the other way around.
Yes. Relentless kasi itong Chinese na to. Nice combination by Abney to start this festivities round number 1. Talagang bigayan na round number 1 pa lang.
Ito yung buong ARQ nandyan sa side ni Ian Paul Abney.
Sabi nga nila, this is a great opportunity for Abney. A one step
And you have
closer.
to admire the boss, the godfather of Cebu boxing, Mr. Lorenzo Chauci. This is not his fighters.
Not
He
his
is
fighter.
here to promote this fight. Ang hirap nun.
And hindi lang promoter Sandy. Ganitong kaklaseng ka-multitude na preparado yung buong event na to. From venue to ticket sale to the materials they use to the new Cebu Coliseum, including everything. Talagang special tong event na to.
So, your thoughts on the first round?
I very much predicted that the fight will look like this, a phone booth match. Ding Sang-soo will come forward and try to test the body of Ian Paul Abney. Kasi April J. Abney, medyo matalik kong kaibigan yun. So Ian Paul Abney, paano mag-response yung Ian Abney doon sa suntok ni Ding Sang-soo? Doon ba ako magbe-base kung gaano tatagal tong laban na to?
This is the first assignment of Fernando Ocon as
Yes.
head trainer for
See?
the ARQ.
Sir Sandy, Fernando Ocon brings Marlon Tapales a world title in Thailand. So, could it be his second world title?
And for all of you, to all of you who are watching this one, Pedro Tadura, the IBF champion, is
Nandito.
here
Dito.
to watch and to observe these two fighters. The winner will fight him in an IBF championship, minimum weight championship.
Yes. And either fighter is a good matchup for Pedro Tadura.
Yeah. This is phone booth boxing, neither going away.
Ubusan talaga to, Sir Sandy. So, I think si referee Dan Rex Nagtasan, hindi siya mahihirapan dito.
Oo, pag phone booth, nasa malayo ka lang eh. Final 2 minutes of round number 2.
Grabe yung Abney. So far, sinasabayan niya si Ding Sang-soo dito sa slugfest na to.
Good body shot by Abne. But how can Jang Sing-soo withstand this offensive onslaught by Ian Paul Abne?
Kasi
He's
preparado.
just coming in. He's just coming in.
Yes, kasi preparado din tong batang to.
Oo.
He comes on his fight prepared.
This was, if you remember, the question of Erwin Lerazan, our friend from Sunstar Super Balita. Kaya ba daw makig-toe-to-toe? Tumawa nga yung coach ng Chinese eh.
They even predicted round 3 or 4 knockout for on their favor. So ganun sila ka-confidence in the match result dito sa laban na to. 52 seconds of round number 2. And
Bumababa yung mga body shot ni Paul Abne, ano? Borderline na eh.
yeah.
Oh? By the way, Jang Sing-soo wearing gold with red, while Ian Paul Abne wearing pink with white.
Ang dami ng bato ni Abne. I really hope he could sustain this kind of...
Oh, yung ma-outpunch mo, ano? Mapagod
yan,
ka.
yan. Tama yung observation mo, Sir Sandy. He outpunching Ding Sang-soo until the end.
Ito naman si Jang Sing-soo, medyo matipid pero tumatama.
Yes, quality punches
Oo.
naman yung binabato niya.
Nasa corner yung dalawang boksingero. There goes the bell. And a round number 3.
Kasi Sir Sandy, kung titignan mo, lahat ng laban ni Ding Sang-soo except siguro yung John Kevin Jimenez kasi second round knockout yun. Nung kinalaban niya si Richard Garden sa Vietnam, ganyan din sila nag-start until naubos yung kababayan natin.
Yan yung problema eh, no? Kung slugfest ba, yung walang atrasan, kailangan stamina, hangin. Pero kapag na-tempo ka, wala ka rin eh.
Oh yes, and even si Marco Rementizo, nakalaban din niya Ding Sang-soo. Ganon din, nakipagsabayan siya noong early rounds. On the latter part, naubos din siya. So yun ang magiging barometer ko kung gaano magtatapos tong laban. Kung 7, 8, 9, 10 nandun si Abne, I'm sure he has a chance on winning this fight.
And so far, it's been an entertaining first 2 rounds.
Tsaka may game plan yata sila Abne talaga.
Puro uppercut na naman yung simula eh.
Oo. Talagang sinabayan na niya talaga maigi. Oh, what?
Oh! Hindi. Sabi ni Attorney Dan Rex.
Diinan eh.
Oo.
Diinan. Dig to the body. Talagang uulit-ulit natin. Dig to the body by the both fighters. Talagang battle of nutrition ba kung sinasabi nilang gano'n. Di ba? How sino ang mauubos? Yun lang ang tanong dito. Pero so far yung maraming binabato si Abne na kombinasyon na it's a scoring and telling blow to the judges.
On the other hand, he is trying to absorb those punches coming from Abne, and it seems like there's nothing going on for him. It's nothing happening.
Kung bibilangin mo yung dami ng binato.
Pero puntos, okay yun para kay Ian Paul.
Pero yung wear and tear,
Yun!
yun ang magdadala a little bit later on. Ayun na, partner. Siyempre medyo mapapagod ka din. We are all
suntok ka
human.
na suntok. Wala nangyayari, no?
Yan talaga ang gauge ni Ding Sang-soo. Yung first 4 round, i-gauge niya kung hanggang saan ka.
So, mafe-feel mo kasi yung tama eh. Ito,
mafe-feel
lumalambot
mo.
na eh. Yung mga suntok, lumalambot, humihina na yung kombinasyon. And so far, Ian Paul Abne throwing big punches and solid punches. But you can tell that Jiansing Zhu able to absorb those punches, and he is coming in front of Ian Paul Abney.
Hindi siya umaatras eh.
Hindi.
Oh, hindi siya
Siyang
umaatras.
pumapasok eh. It's hit or get hit.
Oh, yes.
Listen to the crowd and the
Talagang
coaches of these two fighters.
nakipagsabayan na talaga si Ian Abney. Alam mo, napaka-brutal ng larong boxing.
Oo.
Imagine, as early as round number 3, gano'n ang kadaming headshots ang na-absorb ng dalawang fighter na to. Oh, that left did connect for Abney.
Oh.
That seemingly stunned Jing Jiangsu.
He is throwing everything there. And that goes round number 3.
Pero
Those are hard punches to the face of Zhu.
yung kung titignan mo at commentator points of view, parang makikita mo lamang yung Abney sa dami
Oh,
ng binato.
daming binato eh.
Oh, ang tanong na lang yung sustainability.
Hanggang kailan ba yan?
Kailan? Kasi we are still on the round number 4 of
And
a
we are scheduled for
12 to. So definitely marami-rami pang should I say tiis ang kailangan nating kapitan.
By the way, Alvin, Pedro Tadura, the IBF World Champion, nandito to watch this boxing event. And of course, the winner he will fight the winner of this, but he is the champion.
Pero Sir Sandy, meron lang isang bahagyang pwedeng makapigil dyan.
Ano?
Yung unification. Pag nag-agree pa ng unification, medyo step aside konti ang mandatory. Mandatory.
Yung nanalo dito. And the brawl continues here.
Matapang din yung Ian Abney. Sir Sandy
Siya
talaga.
sumusuntok eh.
Oo.
Two and a half remaining in the 4th round.
Kaya medyo binababaan din ni Abney yung crouch niya ay para hindi umabot yung suntok ni Ding Jiangsu.
Nakayuko siya eh.
Oo.
No?
Ayun, medyo binababa niya ng
Ang
konti.
dami ng, for me, powerful punches na yun eh. Very strong punches. Pero tingnan mo yung mukha ni Zhu.
Oo.
Walang
Alam mo nga, meron nga kwento dito kay Ding Jiangsu. Dati, Sir Sandy, hindi pinapapasok sa cinema dahil sobrang
Guwapo.
bata eh.
Bata, oh.
Bata itsura eh. So, ganyan din siya. Pareho din siya ng Gabunilas. Pag nasa baba ng ring, soft-spoken. Pag umakyat na, nagsuswitch on na yung niya, yung warrior mentality niya.
Itong si Jiansing Zhu, 16 wins with only 1 defeat and 14 wins by way of knockout. 14.
Yeah.
At maraming Pinoy din yan, ano?
Marami.
But Ian Paul Abney, undefeated fighter, coming into this match against Jiansing Zhu.
And he is holding on his own so far on round number 4. Nakikita mo yung parang kina-crouch niya maigi yung ibaba. Para ang suntok niya, ang upper, medyo baba ang pam niya. Hindi na umabot.
At itong si Jiansing Zhu, he continues to... Whoa! Ang galing ng cameraman natin, no?
Oo. Alam niya eh. Alam niya papunta doon.
Veterano na yan.
Oo,
Matagal na
alam
kami
niya.
makasama niyan.
Alam niya.
Ano pa? 2006.
30 seconds left on round number 4. Oh, that left to the body did connect for Ian Abney again.
Oh!
Ang
And
ganda.
the right hand by Abney. But look at Jiansing Zhu continues to stay in front of Abney.
Yun yung sinasabi ng parang parang inaasawa na eh. Di ba? Talagang nakadikit sa'yo eh.
Final 10 seconds. At tinamaan si Abney doon sa mukha. Lumawi si Abney. Styles makes fights.
Yes.
Ito pareho eh.
Oo.
Yan yung suntukan. Yan yung Chelsea promotion.
Yan. That's the kind of boxing that Chelsea promotion is
Yeah.
giving
Yeah.
the city of Cebu.
Di ba, doong interview sabi, wala akong pakialam, basta gusto ko suntukan niya sa taas.
Oo. Even sa mga fighters niya, wag mo siyang bibigyan ng malambot na kalaban. Magagalit siya
Kaya
sa'yo.
kanina, isa lang yung knockdown natin eh. Justin Trazo, tinalo. Si Conor Jason Agujar. Yung iba, majority wala pang unanimous eh, puro pa split eh.
Ang ganda din,
Split.
ang ganda din nung isang fight natin, yung WBF, baksakan din.
Oo.
Una bumaksak si
Ay,
Aranas.
bumagsak pala yan, oh.
Bumaksak si Aranas. Then nanalo si Aranas by knockout over a very game.
Nasimuraan,
Jericho.
no?
Oo. Kasi ni-review na rin namin yung video, straight sa katawan, tumama talaga. So, parang talagang catches the win of Jericho Noynay.
By the way, our judges here, they're not from the Philippines, two from Thailand.
Yes.
One from Tokyo, Japan.
Alam mo, ang ganda pa ng side story talaga ng laban na to. Yung Thailander, naiwan pa yung maleta sa Maynila.
Oh!
At wala silang masusuot.
Anong gito?
Talagang ni-request na lang sa airport ng Manila na kung pwede madala sa Cebu. So yun ang nangyari.
Buti na madali. No?
Nadala dito sa atin, sa Cebu. Oh! That right did connect boarding!
The style of, parang never say die itong si Guangxing Sut. Kahit tinamaan pasok pa rin ang pasok.
Tsaka round 5 na. Ito na yung mga round na gusto niya.
Oh, yung mafe-feel na niya, lumalambot na yung suntok.
Parang
Nagiging open na yung kalaban.
sa kanya, parang
Kasi he was absorbing heavy punches
Of course.
since round number 1. Wala pang knockdown dito.
wala pa.
But sinabi mo nga, pag ganito yung estilo, may mayayari talaga. May
Meron.
knockdown talaga.
Meron. Kasi from round 1 to round 12, parang mababa ang percentage na walang babaksak ng ganyang
Oo.
klaseng laban. Papasalamat tayo sa technical people. Ang ganda ng coverage natin ngayon. Thank you very
Oo.
much. Alam mo, sad to tell the audience, yung mga ganyan, medyo sign of fatigue na rin also. Oo, yung
Kaya you're trying to catch your breath.
Yeah, of course.
Pahinga ka muna ng konti.
tama.
Iba nga, yung mouthpiece niluluwa eh.
And wala pa tayo sa halfway through ng laban na to.
But this is really a brawl here inside the Cebu Coliseum. Fist of Fury 10, the Eliminator.
Sir Sandy, si Pedro Taduran, ganyan din lumaban.
Oh, ang galing. Maganda sa tatlo, no?
Wow, grabe.
Oh, it's hit and get hit. Give and take to eh.
Actually, both corners, hindi na sila nagtuturo. Alam na nilang mga boxer.
Wala eh. Sila,
Oo.
yung parang, hindi naman robot.
Oo.
Ano yan eh. Instinct na nila yan eh. Nasuntukan na lang tayo.
Medyo naipit.
Oo eh.
Naipit.
Maliit eh. Malaki yung mga espasyo.
Naipit.
Final 10 seconds. Oh, sabay-sabay pang
Sabay.
sumuntok.
End of round number 5.
Grabe yung suntukan, pero tingnan mo yung mukha, parang wala lang. No?
Tsaka tingnan mo yung Ding Guangzhou, hindi umupo. Hindi mo siya pagod.
Si Abdin, hindi rin.
Oo, hindi rin siya pagod din.
Tingnan mo, yung paborito nating tingnan, ring girls.
Pero alam mo Sir Sandy, yung dami ng suntok, yung multiple dami ng tama sa ulo, it will be a telling blow a little bit later. Kasi hindi naman mga robot yan. So obviously, mamaya, medyo makakaramdam na yan. Tao yan eh. Diba? Ang daming suntok na tumama sa ulo. Very crucial pa naman ang ulo.
Ever since we started the fight, since round number 1, the same style until round number 5.
Same. Round number 6 na tayo, halfway through.
Walang namabagang mukha.
Oo. Alam mo, Sir Sandy, ang barometer ko dito, pag pumasok to ng 8-9 rounds at ganyan pa rin ang laban, then it will be very, very interesting na.
Ito, mahirap diskuran.
Oo, mapakahirap. Napakahirap.
Now, we've seen and we've witnessed some interesting scores here in this fight card. Two minutes, 27 seconds remaining in round number 6.
Yung
And
short,
it's been a fascinating fight between these two young ring gladiators, Zhu and Abney. Zhu with 14 knockouts, 16 wins. Oh. And Abney will be warned by attorney Dandrex Tapdasan.
alam mo, parang yung laro, yung gumanti ka pero ikaw yung nahuli.
So Dandrex Tapdasan is talking to both.
Trying to take control of this
Oh, of
fight.
course.
Di ba? Siyempre, round number 6 na tayo. Oh, yung left ni Ding tumama rin.
Pero yung balikat ni bumababa na yung tira ni Abney, ano? Borderline na sa belt eh.
Yeah. Makikita naman ng referee yan kung below na eh.
Oo, borderline nga.
Oh.
Oh! Quick right hand by Zhu to the face. That's 3 straight and answered.
Oh, that upper did connect for Abney. Grabe yung Abney. Taas, baba, upper, baba,
Oh,
upper,
bumaba.
upper, baba.
Borderline.
Siguro yan ang
Round number 1 hanggang ngayon, pareho pa rin.
absolutely right, Sir Sandy.
Oh! Good combination there by Zhu. Abney staying in front of Zhu.
So, Abney is trying to hold on right now.
Parang napapagod na eh, no?
Napapagod na siya eh. Oh, he is.
Out. Yung sinabi natin kanina, out-punched eh.
Oo. Tsaka sign of fatigue. That the fatigue is sinking in already now for Abney.
And he's looking at his corner.
Oo. Pero makikita mo humihinga na rin ng malalim si Ding eh. He is trapped on the corner right now.
Oh.
He is trapped.
At sumugod siya para
Oh,
trying
that
to-
left to the body.
Oh!
Wow! Abney is down with that body
Yes,
punch.
yes. Oh, he's being counted. He's looking at his head coach, Fernando Ocon. That was a great body punch.
Great body punch.
Pagod na, tinamaan pa.
Oh,
Oh, saved by the bell.
ayan na yung wear and
He
tear.
is breathing heavily through his mouth already. Ayan, Paul Abney. At ikaw, nakita mo yun itong si Jianqing Zhu, ganyan na ganyan yung mga patama niya, yung estilo niya, hanggang
Maubos
down ka na.
Maubos ka. Oo. Ayan na yung mga critical round on fighting Ding Sangsu. 6, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you could withstand that round and you're still standing and keeping the toe-to-toe with Ding Sangsu, meron ka ng chance.
Oo.
Pero right now, I'm beginning to sense that medyo nauubos na yung hangin ni Ian Abney. Kasi,
Ngayon, umupo na siya.
oo.
Si
Go round number 7 na tayo.
So let's see what adjustment the corner of Abney will do here.
Lumaban na kasi si Abney ng sabayang.
Oo,
from
yun.
one.
Yung estilo ni
Oo.
Jianqing Zhu.
And he is going for broke also na.
Tumitira siya pero paatras eh.
Oo.
O tingnan mo si Zhu naman, atake ng atake. Kahit tinamaan na sa mukha, atake pa rin.
At saka yung pag-atras mo, Sir Sandy, you are exerting effort
Oo.
dyan. Mapapagod ka rin. Ding Sang-soo continue to move forward on this round number 7. IBF World Title Eliminator to, ha. Dalawang hook ang pumasok kay Ding Sang-soo. He did follow up with a short upper. Pero matibay din yung Abner.
Oo.
Matibay.
He went down in round number 6.
Sayang, borderline na nung round 6, no?
Oo,
Malapit
5 to 10
na
seconds
matapos,
lang.
oo.
This is what we are talking about. He may be punching, but he's backpedaling.
Oo. Oh, yun, tumama.
It was like a retreat punch. While Jan Sing-soo, he keeps on attacking.
The heart of Ian Abney talaga. Yun lang talaga ang mabibilib ka sa batang to. Lumalaban talaga.
Alam mo, pag nakasuot na ng pantalon yan, tsaka naka-t-shirt si Jan Sing-soo, parang hindi na boxer.
Hindi. Akala mo nga model yan eh.
Or parang bata na inutusan mo bumili ng suka sa tindahan.
Alam mo, isang nakalaban ni Ding Sang-soo is Shane Hantilyan ng PMI Bohol Boxing Stable. Ganyang laban.
Ganon din.
Imagine, 2 seconds na lang bumaksak si Shane Hantilyan.
Ay, sayang.
Oo.
Walang save with the bell.
Oo, wala. 2 seconds, binilangan siya for a knockdown 12 round. 2 seconds na lang ang natitira.
Gusto natin makita ulit yung Christian Araneta, no?
Oo. Hopefully, kasi alam ko may injury sa knuckle at may injury sa shoulder. So,
Mahirap to.
oo.
Recovery. Tinatamaan pa.
And I think he fought for the world title. May injury na.
And Abner is in the corner right now. Jan Sing-soo attacking. And a round number 7 of a fight scheduled for 12.
Nakita mo yung corners ni Dang Sing-soo from 1 round to round 8. Similar. Still standing.
Nakikita mo, parang may hangin ba? Yung nandyan pa rin eh.
Alam mo naman yung laro ni Ding Sang-soo. Alam mo kung anong klaseng laro. So, obviously, you must come prepare on this kind of
Strength and conditioning.
If I were Ian Abney, why I am
Basang-basa na yung corner ni...
round number 8 na Sir Santi, if I am Ian Abney, I go for broke. Bahala na. Kasi tumagal na rin ako eh. So,
Oo.
I go for broke. Bibigay ko na lahat.
And you started a little bit that time. Good combination there by Jan Sing-soo. Uppercut by Abney.
Wow. This
Good
two
exchange by both. Oh, nice left hand by Abney. But Zhu answers back. As you mentioned, Abney's going for broke. This is for the IBF minimum weight world title eliminator. The
Yes.
winner will face Pedro Tadura, who is here tonight with us, watching the proceedings. Final 2 minutes of round number 8. Another beautiful exchange by these two fighters here. Young fighters. Round 6. Abney went down.
Wow,
Abney with a
Abney.
good combination to the face of Zhu. Zhu answers back with one solid punch. The 1-2 there by Zhu. Yan yung ginagawa ni Abney, no? Pagod eh.
medyo baba konti. Pero hindi mo matatawaran yung willingness niya.
Oo.
Yung gusto niya rin talaga.
Sino tatawag na yung sagupaan? Talpakan. Ano ba yan? 1 minute 10.
Talagang buhos na talaga yung
Oh,
Abne.
from the very first round until now. Wala tayong nakitang adjustment. Ganun lang eh.
Walang adjustment.
Parang kayo na bahala dyan.
Oo,
Walang nagja-jab-jab.
wala. Wow! Ian Abne is showing something.
Listen to the crowd reacting to every shots fired by both. And Abne stays out of trouble. And the relentless attack by Zhu. Trying to corner Abne. Zhu, 1-2. And Abne answers back. But hitting only the shoulders of Zhu.
I lost words. Sir Landy, I lost word. Talagang,
Kasi pag sinabi kong right, may left na eh.
oo.
Eh yun, madulas na. Oh! Oh, knockdown.
Another knockdown. I think he is showing sign na ayaw niya na. Nakita ko eh. Umiling na si Ian.
Oh, he is cut. Was it the end of round?
Yes.
Okay. So we have Jose Unabia.
Accidental headbutt kaya na tinigil. May accidental headbutt. Pero nakita mo yung body language nung Abne. Pagod na talaga siya.
Oh. So end of round lang yan.
End of round. End of round.
Sa bilis ng mga pangyayari. Tingnan natin kung anong yung mataas ba, malalim ba, yan oh.
Alam mo yan ang importante. Kailangan may cutman ka talaga. Hindi
Oo.
hindi yan.
Championship eh.
Hindi yan basta-basta nang
Yung
magagawa.
maghihilom at masasarado.
Oo.
May mga sikat na katman eh.
Oo, meron.
Medyo madulas na rin yung sapatos niya. Kasi ang basa ng ano nila eh. Yung corner eh.
Pero tignan mo, Ding Changsu, for the first time nakita ko siya. Sarado na rin ang mata niya at
Talagang sarado talaga yan.
mababa na ang hinga niya rin. So pagod na rin siya.
Kanina pa sila eh.
Oo. Hindi naman natin pwede awatin. Round number 9 na tayo. 3 na lang.
Championship round na ito ha.
Oo. Ito na yung mga deciding round. Alam mo kung nandito na rin lang ako kay Ian, magtitiis na ako. Natiis ko na lahat eh.
Umabot na ako sa round 9 eh.
Oo, umabot na eh. Pero easier said than done, siyempre.
Parang stalker itong si Zhu eh, no?
Oo.
Kahit tinatamaan, may sukli. Pag binigyan mo, may sukli ka agad eh.
Maraming sukli.
Oo, maraming paminsan. That's Abne digging to the body.
Actually, ginawa niya na anti-try niya lahat. Body, head, body, head,
Oo,
body,
wala.
head.
Nakatayo lang talaga. Nasa harap lang niya.
Oo. Pero hindi ako naniniwala na hindi nasasaktan si Ding Changsu. Hindi ako
Oo.
naniniwala. Because nakikita mo yung features niya sa mukha, sarado na rin.
This is a good boxing promotion by Lorenzo Chauci. Ito yung nahanap ng mga boxing fans sa tagal-tagal eh.
Alam mo, parang napagod din yung audience.
Tayo rin.
Pansin ko. Napagod din. Talaga.
Kasi di nila alam kung saan sila mag-cheer na
Oo,
ngayon eh.
Oo.
Kasi ito namang si Zhu, napakadali ma-fall in love ka sa kanya eh.
Oo.
Sa estilo niya eh. Hindi siya maangas. Suntok lang siya ng suntok. Tumitiklop na nga yung mata niya, no?
Tingnan mo, ang laki na ng bukol niya dito
Oo,
sa left
sa
portion.
ulo, oo.
Oo.
But he continues to stalk Ian Paul Abney, the assassin. Mga ulo yan eh, na tumatama kanina pa eh, no? Final 10 seconds. Boom!
Sayang din yun, yung left straight ng Abney, hindi lang tumama. To end round number 9.
And what a way to end that round by Zhu.
Round number 10 na tayo.
Oo. May cut na po. Yung kaliwang mata, eyebrow, wala naman, ni Ian Paul Abney. And as you mentioned earlier, championship, kailangan may cut man ka eh.
Of course.
May magagaling dyan, na sikat na sikat.
Tsaka tinan mo umupo na yung Ding Sang-soo.
First time!
Pagod na rin siya. Pagod na rin siya. Tsaka, this is human after all. He is human after all.
Yeah, Superman can get tired sometimes.
Oo.
Ang tagal na nila, oh.
I think yung pagtingin nasa taas ni Ian Abney, he is asking for divine intervention also.
Oo.
Nasa round 10.
Kasi kanina, binigyan niya nila, pati lababo eh.
Oo.
Wala. Nakatayo pa rin si John Singsu at sabi mo nga, dami ding sukling binibigay eh.
Oo.
He may be the aggressive fighter here, but Zhu is just staying in front of him and keep on punching.
Ang laki na
And in round number 6, he went down. Itong si Ian Paul Abney.
ang laki na ng swell nung
Oo. Parang yung Hashim Rahman.
Oo.
Sino
ang
yung
laki
kalaban
na.
niya? Si
I think dati nagkaroon din sa Manila ng ganyan. Nagkaroon din ng masamang case kasi medyo lumobo na talaga maigi. Mas maganda.
bukol yan sa Clash of Heads yan eh.
Mas maganda pang araw dumudugo.
Oo, kasi yung swell lang sa sa gilid lang. Dugo kasi yan na stuck eh. A minute 49 to go. Round number 10 of a fight scheduled for 12. And what a fight it has been since the get-go.
Oo. Grabe. Hindi rin talaga marami lang sumuntok yung Ding eh. Talagang konti lang pero mararamdaman mo.
Oo. Kasi itong si Ian Paul Abney, suntok ng suntok. Tinatamaan din naman eh.
Yeah, tinatamaan din. Tsaka nasasaktan din.
We've been witnessing this style since round number 1. Phone booth boxing for both. And humihina na rin yung mga suntok ni
Mahina
Jansen
na rin.
Zhu.
Mahina na sa normal.
"34 seconds, round number 10.
Wow, Ian Abney showing that flurry on the last 20 seconds of round number 10.
The punch there by Abney, straight the face of Zhu. Now he's in the corner of Zhu. Zhu attacks. Zhu with a combination. There goes the bell. End of round number 10.
Sir Sandy, napagod ako. parang nag-marathon na.
Water break, water break.
Water break.
All right, this is round number 11 of a fight scheduled for 12. The Fist of Fury title eliminator of the IBF minimum weight division.
2 more rounds. But, if I'm not mistaken, dalawang knockdown ang na-score ni Ding Sangso, di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
At pangatlong warning na yan, no?
Oo.
He was holding on, clinging. Ang lakas ng mga suntok ni Abne, no? Pero
Alam mo, if I were Abne, I would try to connect on dun sa swelling. Tingin ko.
Oo.
Oo. Birahin niya ng birahin. I think, ewan ko ba?
tumitira si Abne pag pumapasok na itong si Zhu.
Oo.
Na tinatamaan sa noo.
Oo.
Yun yung sinasabi mo, tamaan lang niya yan. And now, referee Dandrex Taptasan is very busy.
Ang laki na nung
Swelling.
Oh, ang laki na.
Lalaki pa yan bukas.
Oo, lalaki yan. Oo.
Yan yung panangga niya yung noon niya
Oo.
Pansin mo? And now the coaches are telling ulo.
Kasi nakikita mo, nagkakakiskisa na rin yung ulo eh.
Boom!
Oh.
1-2 combination by the assassin. Zhu inside. Zhu.
Grabe nung first 4 round, hindi natin kung kanino in-score yung first 4 round. Diba?
Buti nga nasa ringside tayo pero medyo malayo.
Oo.
Mahirap nasa malapit ka, no? Yung mga talsik ng
Absorb mo lahat.
Oo.
Parang magkakamali yung prediction ng Chinese na he will stoppage on 3 on 4. Mukhang hindi mangyayari.
Parang we will go the distance and we will read the scorecards.
Yes, of course. Tsaka parang nagkaroon ng second win yung Abne.
And it's been a good boxing promotion here as Antonio Aldeguer, he is here. Donito Donaire,
Yes.
nandito din. Dudy Boy Peñalosa. And
Classic,
Donny Asdietes. Well, Abne, he's been cornered so many times in this fight, but was able to withstand the pain and the punches of Jianxing Zhu. And for the second time, Zhu will be sitting down.
Actually, nung 10, 11, and 12, he did sit down already. Hindi mo rin maano, Sir Sandy, because Pilipino rin tayo eh. Ano pa ba, hindi pa tayo magpapakatotoo. Obviously, kaya lang talaga, ang ganda ng laban din talaga.
Oo.
And that 2 knockdown will be a very crucial part on this fight.
Gusto ko tumingin sa scorecard eh.
Last round na tayo lang.
Ladies and gentlemen, round number 12. The final round!
There you go, the final round.
Abne is giving it all. Giving it a try.
The force
Wow.
awakens.
Nabuhay yung Abne.
He went down in round number 6.
Yes.
Beautiful punch to the face by Zhu. Zhu absorbing that 1-2 combination there by Abne.
nagkaroon ng
He's
second
been giving
win.
everything,
Lahat na talaga. Buhos mo na lahat. Wala na tayong
but
bukas.
still, Zhu is still staying in front of Abne with a big swell on the head.
This is obviously a candidate for the fight of the year.
Yes. What a fight. And all we can do is just watch the fight.
Oh,
They say if a picture paint,
1,000 words.
don't say it. Don't say anything.
Tiis talaga si Ayan Abne.
Oo.
Tiis talaga.
Eh, pati rin si Zhu.
Oo.
So ito yung unang Pilipino na nakalaban ni Zhu na
Natapos.
natapos.
Si Richard Gardner
Ah,
natapos din.
natapos din.
Oo.
But this fight, we started this in the first round. Ganito na eh.
Ganyan.
Hanggang ngayon. Slip.
Ganyan. Exhaustion
Ganyan
na.
din. Si Ayan po, kanina pa yan.
Oo. 45 seconds left on the final round. Who will get
Yes.
the W?
Oh. And Abdi answers back. Zhu. Final 35 seconds of this title eliminator. Who will win? The winner will face Pedro Taduran for the IBF Minimum Weight Championship.
You're a badly damaged. Pag kinalaban mo na si Taduran, talagang inubos mo dito. Talaga.
Kailangan siguro 6 months muna, no?
Oo, kailangan ka magpahinga din.
Ito ang resulta. Bukas ang sakit nito. Beautiful
Grabe.
exchange. 10 seconds. All right, how about this fight?
Wow!
Oh, beautiful finish by both Zhu
Wow! Wow!
and Abne.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Some prayers
Congratulations
are answered.
Congratulations to both of the
Oh, yeah.
fighters. I think both of them well deserved to win the fight, but nevertheless,
Isa lang eh.
we will leave.
But tingnan natin kung anong desisyon.
We will leave. Hindi natin maalis yung draw. There
Oo.
could be a possibility
yes.
of a draw
So,
also.
tingnan natin.
So we will see and the final verdict.
Okay.
We are requesting Mr. Michael C. to award the trophy. We are requesting Michael C. to award the trophy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we go to the judges' scorecard, a round of applause for these two young ring gladiators, Jianxing Zhu and Ian Paul Abney. And after 12 rounds of boxing here inside the new Cebu Coliseum, we go to the judges' scorecard. Judge Sanok Aumim scores about 115 to 111. Judge Kringsang Fong Ho scores about 114 to 112. Judge Katsuhiko Nakamura scores about 116 to 110. All three are in favor to the winner by unanimous decision. Ladies and gentlemen, Jianxing Zhu! Michael C. will award the trophy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, daghang salamat ang ating promoter, Mr. Lorenzo Chelsea. At ang VIPs, the people from Tartar, the LGU, Mayor Patrick Marcenas, Mayor of Pasig, Stephen Pavares, daghang salamat. And the former world champion,